Okay, this is Max's mid-afternoon meal. I'm just weaning him off of the Waff Cold puppy onto Nature Diet puppy, so you can actually see a bit of a blend of both there, and eventually he'll be on Nature Diet puppy for good. And I'll show you also now how I'm feeding him. Pip thinks it's for her. And the funny thing is, she's so obsessed by food, is Pip, that she's just completely ignoring Max. She will give the odd snap, but nothing too serious so far. So we've got Pip thinking it's her meal time. So this is where it's useful to have a bit of control of your existing dog. So Pip stays in the stay. I'm holding the food here. Right, let's see if we can do this. Put the food up there. Easier said than done with one hand. Right, put the food in there. Just don't let him just rush onto it, so he's really keen for this. Just get a brief sit. Sit. Hey, sit. Wait. Okay. So at this age, 7.5 weeks, you're only going to get a shaving of a second of a wait. But that's enough, it just brings in the idea. And what I would do now is just shut that door.